And I've got the scope inside the muffler here, and we'll take a look at the piston cylinder. Very clean piston and cylinder. Get a shot at some of that great porting in here if we can get this in here. Now you can take a look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There's the top of the piston. And inside the fuel, it's very clean too, the fuel tank. We'll go inside there and take a look around. There's the fuel filter. You can see that tank's in good shape. A lot of these tanks get corroded. This one's very nice shape for its vintage. I'll go outside now and make a cut with that.